Okay, the camera is recording over here in Iowa, world's largest truck stop. Still never stopped by the museum. To my kids with me, and have to be going through here. Give me some breakfast, whatnot. Heading over to Arizona. Got a little late last night. It took me 8 hours and rock and rolling. I might go just do a 2 hour right now. Get home, whole thing. You know, this and that. Because I have great ideas when I first wake up. I talk about as I'm driving, noise and everything. My videos suck as is. I'll just be sucking worse. But I don't know if I can remember some of that stuff to talk to myself about. How last days ago some of my Christians are. I mean, it pisses me off. All what Jesus Christ has done for us, they think just bare minimum's good enough. Easy grace, once saved, always saved, la 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 la. Well, you're the one going to have to stand before Christ. There's 2 judgment seats. Unconverted, white throne room, converted, judgment seat. You have to answer for what you've done since you've been saved. And many, the Bible says, I think it says some, but I think many probably been a better word. Be saved by the fire. Just have their salvation. You can Google that and it'll come up with the scriptures. It ain't my job to breastfeed you biblical knowledge. Many of you guys are been in the faith for years. Should be teachers. Getting that from the Bible. That's the type of hardcore preaching that's in the New Testament if you actually read it. Pastoral epistles in the New Testament. But you're still drinking from the bottle. They're still expecting the preacher, who's actually supposed to be the pastor, but your Baptist is like, oh, he's just the preacher, like, and you're just a sheep, think you know more than what the preacher does. I would not be preaching about. I would preach revivals in Baptist church, and probably get shot, but I don't care. Rain down fire upon them motherfuckers. Elijah, prophet of fire. And John the Baptist. He's baptized, not because he's part of the Baptist organization. Try to tell someone, hey, well, don't just read the Bible cover to cover. Oh, I was a preacher kid. Well, my first piece of ass was a preacher kid. Knowledge did not come through DNA. I actually went to a seminary. And sometimes I pull up on my laptop and show you that person that I'd like to virtue signal. I don't know what this virtue signal is, and she goes off in virtue signals. I'm like, oh my God! It's like I'm not gonna can't have discussion with her. She's too fucking stupid. Like we talk about, there's more black people on welfare. Black Americans on welfare, and be some dumbass say, well, there's more white people on welfare. Okay, right now I'm talking about apples and oranges. Yes, there's more white people. Yes, there's going to be more white people on welfare, but not per capita, as per population. Okay, 1 out of 20 white people you see probably on welfare. 1 out of 5 black Americans. Look up, and I'm pulling those out of my ass as an example. Maybe make you mad and you actually go look them up yourself. Per capita. Yes, of course there's more white people. There's more white people. When people say that to me, I'm like, because I don't say anything doesn't mean you got me. It just means I know what you are. And you end up destroying yourself. Why bother? You should feel bad and think about people who, don't go to heaven, end up going to hell, whatnot. I don't know more. You had your chance. in the Middle East. I mean, the world knows about Christ. Those who seek for me will find me. If you ain't seeking, I don't feel for you. Be like, oh, you had your choice. I've been living in the spiritual wilderness, fighting the beast. Guys who claim to be Christians, got your own church, you're privileged. And you want to take advantage of that and grow spiritually? Yeah, what about there's going to be crying in heaven? Because, it says Jesus will wipe every tear from every eye, or tear from every eye, something like that. Why is there crying? Oh, because people see how pathetic their service to God was. That's probably what it is. Pathetic. Sorriness oozing and dripping out of every pore. I'm preaching, but you're not listening. Oh, yeah. Go to church, you should be felt convicted, should be challenged. I mean, how many people you've actually invited out to church in your lifetime? How many miles, how many shoes you wore out? Walking in sidewalks, knocking doors. I didn't do that stuff to be saved. Did that stuff because I was saved. Part of the organization has a real push. Yeah, it might be, a business thing. Hey, get more people in, more tithe, whatnot. But hey, people need that stuff. Need some guidance. I mean, I go to church. It's kind of like visiting kindergarten, for what I know. But there's no excuse for you guys. You got the church and you go to it. Find perfect church. Don't go to it, because it's perfect before you showed up. But anyways, that's that. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hangry. Oh yeah, can you feel it? No, you can't, because I can feel it. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting eating over here, because I'm finally able to actually stop, have time, actually enjoy my time. Oh yes. Oh yes. But